Hello and welcome again. You're watching the morning news show on CNN News 18. I'm Sakshi Singh Litoria here to walk you through all the top headlines from nation and across the globe over the next 30 minutes. At the top of this segment, we have got some breaking news now coming in from the state of Maharashtra. Well, it's a big setback for the Congress in the state of Maharashtra. We are learning that Maharashtra's Congress leader Mohammad Arif Khan has quit as star campaigner of the party in the state. He is allegedly upset over no Muslim candidate from Mahavikas Aghadi. Congress leader Mohammad Arif Naseem Khan has said, and I'm going to quote him here, that in Maharashtra there is a lot of anger in people and organizations of minority communities because there is not a single candidate from minority community from Mahavikas Aghadi.
महाराष्ट्र में अल्पसंख्यक समाज के सभी संगठन समाज के लोगों में बहुत जोरदार प्रतिक्रिया हुई है क्योंकि 48 लोकसभा सीट में एक भी अल्पसंख्यक समाज को यहां पर उम्मीदवारी नहीं दे जाने से लोगों में बहुत नाराजगी है, रोष है और मैं भी नाराज हूं क्योंकि कांग्रेस पार्टी की बहुत पुरानी विचारधारा है, एक परंपरा रही है कि सभी समाज और सभी लोगों को साथ में लेकर चलने की, सभी को प्रतिनिधित्व देने की, चाहे अल्पसंख्यक समाज हो, ओबीसी हो, महाराष्ट्र में मराठा समाज हो, एससी हो, एसटी हो, सभी समाज को प्रतिनिधित्व देने की हमेशा से परंपरा रही है.
We are CNN News 18's Vinay Deshpande joining us on the phone line. Vinay, very good morning to you. We are learning that a letter has been written by him to Mallikarjun Kharge as well, where he has written why exactly is he upset and why exactly is he quitting from the party as the star campaigner. Could you walk us through that first?
Well, absolutely, Sakshi. A very good morning. Yes, who's Arif Naseem Khan? Arif Naseem Khan is the working president of the Maharashtra Congress. He's also a former cabinet minister. He's somebody who was preparing a lot in order to field himself. So we have seen for the last few days, despite being the star pracharak and despite holding sabhas in Vidarbha for the Congress and the MVA, he had also been continuously building his campaign from Chandivli, from other areas of Mumbai North Central, where he was expecting a ticket from the party. Now remember, the party, in order to placate Varsha Gaikwad, who was expecting a seat from Mumbai South Central, and the Congress had to forego that seat for the Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray faction, she was placated by the Congress after her name was announced as the Congress candidate from Mumbai North Central. Now, at such a juncture where, Arif Naseem Khan himself was vying to become the Congress candidate from there, that is an added hurt that he has, that though he had been working hard in order to build that constituency, and the Congress did not really have any candidate from there. So Priya Dutt had already refused to fight from that seat. There was consistent effort in order to try and search for a name by the Congress, which was allocated to seat within the MVA. So now Arif Naseem Khan says that this is unfortunate that not a single Muslim candidate has been given by the MVA despite efforts, and now we have seen that Samajwadi Party has also joined the ranks, where Abu Azmi, whose name has been under speculation for the last few days in Maharashtra politics on whether his party will end up now supporting the BJP or the NDA or not, amid those speculations where he had declined, he has also now tweeted saying that Samajwadi Party had also sought one seat from the MVA during seat sharing, and it's unfortunate that Muslims are not being accommodated by the MVA as well. So, clear-cut anger there from within the Congress ranks, from the allies as well, from Maharashtra, saying that despite its rhetoric for the minorities, not a single Muslim candidate has been given by the MVA in Maharashtra. Back to you.
Exactly, Vinay, and quite ironic that Congress in their manifesto have highlighted special push for the minorities. At the same time, they have been attacking BJP over sidelining the minorities and especially the Muslims. At that point of time, now they have given absolutely no seat to the Muslim in the state of Maharashtra. What exactly does that speak about their manifesto and their situation in the state of Maharashtra? All right, Vinay, I'll request you to please stay with us. We have Majid Memon joining us on the broadcast. Sir, the star campaigner from Congress has quit the party. He has said that because there is absolutely no representation of the community in the state, I would like to resign, I would like to quit from this particular position. What would be your response to it?
Well, these are personal observations by some displeased Congress leaders and Samajwadi Party, Abu Asim Azim. But I think there is some element of truth in what they say, that there is a substantial Muslim population in Maharashtra. Not to talk of the whole country, but at least when we talk about Maharashtra, out of 48 seats, Congress, which always keeps on talking about minorities, and Congress is even accused of appeasement. How is it that they have not considered one single Muslim representation from any of the 48 constituencies? Is a matter certainly extremely serious. I think if BJP is not is completely sidelining Muslim population, then what is the difference between BJP and Congress? If Congress also does not care to even put one candidate and get one MP from Maharashtra to represent Muslim community, the grievances you see shown by Naseem or somebody else, certainly is quite weighty. It is quite relevant and quite reasonable.